I asked my friend Andashala, shout out to Andashala, to buy me a bird carrier for Kiwi.
Happy! Muduol din siya. Nagkapagkapam to siya kanina. Happy birthday. Muduol dayon siya. Kiss ko ba?
Let's open your cage,
Ay,
Kiwi.
imuha mo ni ha. Kaya para makakuyog ako sa gawas.
Lagan na kayo na si Kiwi.
Kaya og wala ni, dili ka kuyog sa gawas.
Sige, pero look at Kiwi. Kiwi's checking. Get us Kiwi down. Kiwi, it's yours. Kiwi, you got your cage now. Look. Si Kiwi, wala na tanaw siyang cage. It's your cage, Kiwi.
No, let's go outside. Let's go outside. No.
Wow. It's open. Baby Kiwi. Baby Kiwi, you got your new bird carrier. It's gonna be yours. It's cool. Kiwi, it's almost done. It's your cage.
No, let's go outside.
Let's go outside, Kiwi. Ito sa pinakabus dong. Ala, kanindot.
Dili din siya isuod. Ano na siya makita ang zipper. Kung na-upload siya kuha.
Nice.
Kiwi,
Wow.
Let's go outside. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Kiwi, you got a new place. Hi, baby. Yay. Hello. Hi. Go now.
Kiwi, let's go outside.
Go show it to ate. Show it to ate. Kiwi. Kiwi.